Wow, thank you guys. Look at all of this. Wow. Okay, first of all, we're going to introduce the new Fireboks 2.
Bingo.
Okay, so over here we've got a new product. We call it the 800 Rocket Braai. This
Go.
Alright, we're moving over to the tabletop mild steel. This is a 1 meter tabletop. This one we also gave it a bit of a facelift. Okay, and then we're moving over to our new design. This is called the frame tabletop. As you can see, okay, and over here we've got the mild steel freestanding 800 millimeter braai. Wait to taste it. Thank you, Jova's. Jova's from Kales River, proudly South Africa. Thank you for sponsoring for the spices for today. We can't wait.